Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony HXR-NX200 camera and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now there's a couple reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this camera not working properly, if it seems to be not responding or frozen or lagging or just not doing what you want it to do and you're trying to fix it, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you will need to reset everything because everything will be restored to its factory default settings, which is the second reason you might want to do this. If you're selling this camera or if you're buying a used one or for whatever reason you just want to get it set back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can do this quite easily. All we need to do is hit the menu button, and from the menu button we're going to toggle down to the other menu as shown here. And then from the other menu, we'll just toggle through until we get to initialize. We'll select initialize and it will show up us a little warning screen that everything will be wiped off the camera. We can confirm that and everything will be wiped and the camera will be restored to its factory default settings.